Hello and welcome to HP Calcs. I'm Rick, and today we're going to have a look at how to use the Pi key on the TI-36X Pro Scientific Calculator. To do this, we'll be using the Pi key that looks like this, and is located here, as well as the left and right arrow key that looks like this, and is located down here. Alright, so we'll use this in an example. Let's say we want to determine the circumference of a circle with a radius of 11 centimeters. Well, to do that, we know our equation is 2 pi r, or 2 pi times our radius, which in this case is 11. So, to use this, we can enter it as the equation. So we go 2, now we have pi, and we hit our pi key here once, and you can see we get a pi symbol there. If we keep hitting it, that symbol will change to an E or an I, but if we keep hitting it again, it'll go back to our pi. So we can leave it there, and then times our radius, which was 11. There we go, 2 pi r, and equals to solve it. We see this gives us a result of 22 pi. If we want this as a decimal, we can hit this key here, this left and right arrow key, and we see this gives us 69.115, etc. as our circumference. We can also convert it back by pressing the key again. There we go, we're back to 22 pi. Another example, we can determine the area of a circle with this key as well. So, for example, if we want to determine the area of a circle with a radius of 12 centimeters, we know our equation is pi r squared, or pi times the radius, which is 12 for this, squared. So again, if we want to enter pi, we just hit this key here, get pi on the screen, and then we go times 12, which was our radius, and then square. There we go, pi r squared, enter. And we see we get 144 pi, which again, remember we can convert out of pi into a decimal with this key and get an area of 452.839. Alright, I hope this helps, and good luck on those tests out there, everybody.